Number 17, tell how many solutions exist given the discriminant value. This b squared minus 4ac is the piece. You always have the opposite of b, plus or minus square root b squared, that whole piece right here, all over 2a. Now, if that is a zero value, you're going to be adding 0 and then subtracting 0. So let's pretend b happened to be a 6. I don't know. And then we're plus or minus a 0, because square root of 0 is 0, all over 2. Let's say a is 1, 2. You're going to end up going, oh, negative 6 plus 0 over 2 is one solution. Negative 6 minus 0 over 2. Well, wait a second. That's negative 6 divided by 2. That's negative 3. This is negative 6 minus 0 is negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3. You get the same solution. So how many solutions do you really have? If underneath the square root it's a 0, you really only have one solution. That's it. All right, what if the value was a negative number? If you have a negative underneath here, if that b squared minus 4ac comes out to be a negative number, in this case, negative 1, can you take the square root of negative 1? No, the calculator says error, because you can't do it. That means there's no solutions here. So I don't care if you write none or you just say, hey, there's 0 solutions. Nobody's going to work if it's negative. And now what if it's a positive value? Well, if it's positive, like 1, you'd have plus 1. The square root of 1 is 1. Square root of any positive number is going to give you some number here. And you would be doing negative 6 plus it, negative 6 minus it. You're going to get two different answers. So we're going to end up with 2 solutions. The key is if it's positive, 2 solutions. If it's negative, no solutions. And if it's 0, you're going to end up with 1 solution, both of them being the exact same when you go down here. So only really one answer.